BillGoudy checking in. I'm at the range again. I want to show you my Smith and Wesson Model 29-3. Check it out. This is my Smith and Wesson 44 Magnum Model 29-3 6-inch barrel. This is the Dirty Harry gun, except for I have the Beckmeyer grips on it. I'm shooting a 180 grain jacketed hollow point. I can't remember exactly the load. I have to look it up, but they're pretty hot. I want to shout out my amigo, the lone woodpecker. He's the one that inspired me to make this video. After watching the 686 video, we got to talking. Anytime you talk about Smith and Wesson and Magnums, we think about Dirty Harry. So he wanted to see the Dirty Harry gun. Go over and check out the lone woodpecker. My amigo is link will be down below. Check him out. Awesome bushcrafter. You know, that's one more thing. The difference between cover and concealment. You be the judge. Yeah, I hope you like that. It's a lot of fun. 44 Magnum, it was once the most powerful handgun in the world, but we know better than that now, don't we? Still wouldn't want to mess around with it. BillGoudy out. Yeah, great idea. Shooting some cinder blocks. Yeah,